What happens when a legendary designer takes one of Britain's most humble icons and turns it into a six-figure piece of automotive art? This is not just a Mini. This is a masterpiece, born from the mind of Ian freaking Callum, the same man who gave us the Aston Martin Vanquish and the Jaguar F-Type. And now, he's back. But this time, he's got his hands on a Mini. We're talking full-on Restomod royalty here. Custom valances, brand new bumper designs, and curves that would make a supermodel jealous. All painted in a custom anthracite finish so deep, you might just fall in. Inside, oh baby, it's a full-blown luxury lounge, hand-stitched Bridge of Weir leather, a retro-futuristic dashboard inspired by Wood and Pickett's Margrave design, and toggle switches that make you feel like you're piloting a fighter jet. Forget minimalism, this is maximum class. And under the hood, no batteries, no buzz, just good old-fashioned combustion glory. A 1.3-liter Stage 3 rally-bred engine throwing down 110 horsepower. That's nearly double the original Mini's grunt, tuned, reworked, and ready to tear up the tarmac. We got LED lighting front and rear, 13-inch alloys designed specifically for this beast, upgraded brakes, tuned suspension, and NVH refinements so tight, you'll think you're driving a Bentley in Mini clothing. Each one is built, by hand, in Warwick, UK, starting at $102,000. And yes, they're all one of one. No two are alike. This is your Mini, reborn, reimagined, reinvented. The first unit, delivered to none other than British model and gearhead David Gandy. Because when style meets speed, the elite come knocking. This isn't just a car. This is design, performance, legacy. This is the Mini by Callum, and it just changed the game.